Anyways, so who told you Araba was my girlfriend? Anyways, are you true? May not go out before, but not now though, not now. Well, the truth of the matter is, time I started my piloting course in mission or party and we became friends from there. She took my number, we started seeing each other, and then eventually dated. That was then though. And you know what? My mother died about 4 years ago. One big secret was revealed. Araba is my sister. But we dated. So it was then that people revealed the secret the Tamofisi Bay from UK. We share mom, and the mother was a teacher in Takrade and dated. They had an affair, it's a big one. And then that daughter came out. And that old man kept it a secret until maybe through God, I was the one to bring up that secret. So that's it. That's the story. But you know, because of our past affairs, it's not to be a behavior in a way. She's still close to me anyways. And since the mother is normal, it's not anything. But as of now, there is nothing going on between me and Araba. I can swear to that.
Agofia. Me show me where. Hey. Na cry dia na hano. Ade apena. O minti mi. Mengo ame do fo ba ko pe enya hwe. Eja me ba ya se me bebisa o ka. Na me adom. Wan fa nka me wo de ma me. Ade ame de koya nsuma wie. Nipa ya ade nso a o saye yi. Nti eja e sa me beda wase. Ti me ba ya ka na me de aba na che se. Me de asida nso tired.
Let's have an way. I don't know what you.
Hey. Na me ra. We are na hu se bibi wo meji.
Mama nchire wade bi.
Eto na bi a wo ye niam na wo hu ye me nwonwa ne.
Asase so yare bia wo ne nsonsan so. Ebubu afumu no wo won a wo wi afem, wo won a wo nante nnua ho. Ani fremu nso no wo won a wo hu awia, wo won a wo hu sunsum. Entimanto asum. Se wo sunsum no, ne ye wo wachi ni sunsum na atom so na biza dag na wo wachi.
Mira. Mira, so we hu yakse. Ya.
Mempa he. Me hwe bio.
Ubua se u. Maba. And confess and chum. And kashe and chum. Sister me the truth no. Tell me the truth. Na nama wa hina de man. I hina de man na nama. 16,500. Kakao. I hina de man. Kakao. Mr. Hina de man.
Moku 20.
You go am 20 also. Me pay more. Fabi ka ho.
21,000.
21 fabi ka ho.
Ma
Miss also fabi ka ho.
Me ya wela mo.
E be wela mama. No start there for lawyers.
As a child sugar factory me the mama.
E de be cham. Start there for lawyers.
a salt on ceramic when the bomb.
Amedasi.
Railways no wall, but shares and I'm to be my railway shares.
Na what about airport? Hey.
I'm only a legal representative.
Uncle Kadi. Installment. No. They still no. Shouldn't be said. You know, should I mean? What friend be saying? What friend be? Free. I know free you. I want them free you. I will when you start to wine they free you. Me be me do with your cry them. What the BBS home? What the BBS home? War chunko. Near them. They free you. But is man I ready? The patcho is man I okay, sir. Before business in buy wash share the mentasm. Yeah, wash share the mentasm. Mass share. Oh, Yanatamian, mass share the mentasm. Mass share the mentasm. Obiara show. When you open it, start. 1, 2. Maswaya the mentasm. Maswaya the Mr. Penny, your banana will go on. I found your banana will go on. Mrs. Start, your maswaya the mentasm. Started.
Benyiwaa me yebium.
Maswaya the Minkadaka Benyiwaa me yebium. Now me yebium, I'm going with them. Where's yebium? I won't. Hey, why shall Patel Craig and I do? And yellow when I yebium. Range most of my damage. Yeah, why my shed? I can't know a criminal not to be aware. Ebo hu se next be nya nene da na ntu edu ne fie obi ma yeah ma share den yeah
Benyiwaa wo kunu nyama yi ne du twa ebe sana
me do pa mo ndo wan ka dam nyoma nya menye sanka me divorce wa che because mbra wo ho papa
you me check
ma ati mem ke yimbra
Nani a show. Even one and the war formal them were was as you did. Okay. Go for Rian, okay. Go for Rian or Bacasemi. No. Enjoy a much one, I must eat. No one but you doesn't wait Jesus Army. Go for Rian.
Okay. Eddie. Me better we are there back up, baby mommy.
Tom.
You've told me your secret. And I won't say my fun is very cool. But I want you to do this for me, please.
Come
on. I want Araba out of the house. Yeah. You better Araba feel Eddie.
Well, Oboko. But there to Mercy, you know, where you're already taken by step or a gradual process. That's a matter. Montumon short because of what I've told you into make Uncle Parkin in my uncle one day. That is a
no, Eddie. I mean train till that step by step, whatever. Me say Araba uncle. Because I don't know, me shouldn't him. I can't just look. Me shouldn't him. How?
No.
Eddie, ain't easy. I want Araba out of the house. If you truly love me, if I'm your wife, Eddie, if you cherish what you've done with me, please.
I see. The harm is already done. And remember one thing, she's still blood. You know what I mean?
I'm not surprised.
She's lived with me all this while. And baby, but at least you 2 years in your mother 2 years into my as an auntie, one packing in your mouth.
Eddie, okay. I'm not surprised. Ain't it not Araba a year in your home? When she was doing that, you know, on who say, didn't she know that truth? Her secret now, and never reveal, no. Didn't she know it? And that beginning, no, that means there's a bit of jealousy. I can't stay. Meet me, Nenentina. Just do it fast for me, me Pacho, Eddie. Please.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. I'll do what I can. For you?
Hello? Give it to me. No. I can't.
We go junto.
Hello, Benyiwaa.
Hello.
What a surprise. Maybe are you okay, sir?
Maybe are okay. I was just passing by and I see maybe her wife kakra.
I hope that's not about what I came to tell you.
Oh, David, baby. I said my catch me here trim the right then I made me better.
Come on, easy, what freaky come on call.
Wacko.
Maybe are you okay?
Problem
Wow.
there.
It's me pede baby.
Oh,
We
my
are okay here.
Very okay.
We are okay.
Very.
Give me a minute.
All right then. Okay.
Hey, Onye. Wow.
Hey,
What a
Mokra.
surprise.
Mokra.
Oh, me
Mokra.
Oh, there be say dear in casa.
Awo. Na sana ezizi ame me kunechi. Nya da ma na etum ba me fie. Ebe ka echem na me kuno harass una.
Oh no. Why na cancer?
Why na ka sa asam de chem den?
What I told you.
Can no kwach awo
truth.
hey. Awo na mukura abadan na wo ntem. Abadan na way. Ka chem na ye free abadan na way.
Sister, me I say sister no me can no cry woman nyina acha.
Awo can no cry the chem.
na what's
Aba
about
me kuno di wecha na wo na edi me kunechi. Which is which?
No, I don't understand. I say na wo try
Ebe
mama
ebe
worry
ka
na
chia me
wa
dem kuno di
ha me
wechi.
bisa.
Sana na me so ka me ye mu kunu wild. Nkere guma were wo fie na
Of course, that's the truth. Me pacho.
Ntawo ebogumezi na abatena wo de hunya dama.
It will be
I can't show that's the truth. Na abatena wo de hu. Enya dama.
Me pacho no dey masosa.
Na nama ukuna. Me sorry ba fam ba 1000 mesu. Obapam wo da aboa.
Ade wo kese me ana.
Ama mentwam ankwa. Awo emba mbasem ho nkwada. Hey, na dam na neta.
Oh.
Dam bra so no. Dam na neta.
Come on, Benyiwaa. What is all this again? What is all these things again? Benyiwaa, some ya come and do chamo piano.
Let me say nyawo ntina mo ha that you are you and she's she.
And she's my wife.
So, she's your wife.
So I can't stand there and make about some kind of pedagogy. Nana, best crazy. About some people.
I'm going inside then.
About some people.
Miss them. No come me
listen. Ya can send me. Listen. Asemi ya come.
No trofo. Ko shinyi mamoni da brabenya bada bambado.
Yeah, that's it.
Mamoni da brabenya bada bambado.
Benyiwaa, but so yes, come quietly. Oh, really?
Hello.
You are surprising me, Benyiwaa. You are really surprising me.
Obaguma wana betana do
About one way. Asemi, no, hold on, please.
No, Eddie, I don't understand why. I said, "I will try mama worry. No, I be say mama worry. Bisa why?
Eba fam ba 1000. Irabe. Eba fam na down.
It will never happen. It will
It
never happen.
No, hold on.
It will never happen.
CBM.
It will never happen. Go and talk to your husband.
Yeah, that's it.
Go and talk to your husband.
I hate this scene right now.
No, Eddie, I don't understand this.
I surprise him. I surprise him.
Surprise.
That issue is an old dead case. It is gone. Do the chat.
For you.
Leave the number alone, please. We are okay now.
My all day case for you. Not me.
Thank you, baby.
Hey, hello.
Thank you.
Mama me be.
To your husband.
Why?
I will worry.
Who could not chimpre waiting every day? No, but pamo da boa.
Then you are shocking.
Get away.
Blame your husband and me blame me no. Go to your husband.